Following the recent wrangles in court over the Muslim properties between businessman Justus Kyabahwa and Uganda Muslim Supreme Council, which saw Kyabahwa demanding Uganda Muslim Supreme Council 19 billion, alleging to have brought Zimbabwe land, the issue at hand has brought mixed reactions from the public and Muslims. Uganda Muslim Lawyers Association has sued the Mufti of Uganda, Sheikh Shaban Mubajje, and the former Secretary General Uganda Muslim Supreme Council, Hajji Mugalu, and Uganda Muslim Supreme Council. The case filed in High Court Civil Division. They accused businessman Kyabahwa for entering into a transaction with Mufti Mubajje and Haji Mugalu on 24th June 2020, well knowing that the land in question was already sold to Enterprise Holding Limited.
Although they appeared to be on different sides, they were aiming at the same thing, to have this attachment of Muslim properties go on. And that's why Uganda Muslim Lawyers Association have taken time to study, to investigate, and we've concluded that what is happening is a syndicate between the purported buyer and the officers of Uganda Muslim Council.
The advocates contend that the three only entered into a syndicated fraudulent agreement targeting prime properties of Muslims.
It was designed to defraud through deceit and calculated maneuvers, property belonging to the wider Muslim community. We cannot sit back as Muslim lawyers and let this happen.
You will see that there was a new constitution made some time back. That constitution took away the powers of the managers of Uganda Muslim Supreme Council to sell. That constitution required His Eminence, together with the former Secretary General, to have constituted a trust and to have taken all the properties that exist under Uganda Muslim Council and a trust, which would have made it impossible for Justus to attach these assets.
Since the agreement between Kyabahwa and Uganda Muslim Supreme Council was attached with 12% interests, lawyers say this was contrary to the Muslim faith.
The transaction was illegal, was fraudulent, it was procured through inducements that are illegal, and it involved payment of riba. How can a Uganda Muslim Supreme Council enter into a transaction? You all know that you've heard it is settled, that Muslims and interest and riba, they don't stay in the same line, they can't mix. But how can the highest authority on Uganda Muslim Supreme Council have appended his signature on a document that condemns all of us to act contrary to our religious belief?
They now want court to announce the transactions as null and void and compel Mufti Sheikh Shaban Mubajje and Haji Mugalu to pay the alleged 19 billion to Justus Kyabahwa.
Same was tainted with illegalities, fraud, syndicate, among others. And Uganda Muslim Lawyers Association is seeking to have it declared null and void, and indeed the number of issues to be resolved by court.
Recently, Commercial Court and Court of Appeal ordered Uganda Muslim Supreme Council to pay businessman Justus Kyabahwa over 19 billion. Deborah Namamonde, UBC News.